Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your homes. Yesterday, also 1047 cases were reported from the entire UT of J&K. So this virus, its rate of infection is increasing, and 12 deaths also took place. We lost 12 lives. But some students may raise a question why the teacher is putting more stress or giving the first message as COVID-19. Dear students, to care for your lives, it is my moral obligation. In these days of pandemic, when schools are shut, life is at stake, so it falls moral duty on me, moral obligation on me to send you a message, a video message to care for your lives. You can care for your lives, and by this message or advice, you can save your lives first, or you will be able to save your lives first. You will restrict your movements, and your physical contacts would be minimized when you remain inside your homes, so that this infection can't reach to you. It's a deadly infection, killing people. It has made life of people miserable in those countries where health infrastructure is well developed, like Italy and America. Dear students, yesterday a group of students called me to throw once again light on four models that's may, might, can, and could. Because I was teaching you the removing two in transformation of the sentence where cannot and could not you find frequently used. So students felt perhaps need to once again have something regarding the four auxiliaries, that is can, could, may, and might. Dear students, I have made you learn that auxiliaries are of two types: primary auxiliaries and modals. Primary auxiliaries be, have, and do, and modals they show modality like permissions, requests, obligations, wishes, etc. And now, where the can is used first. Their students can is used to show the present ability of a person. For example, I can teach mathematics, this is my present ability. I can teach English, this is my present ability. She can run very fast, this is her ability. He can jump, he can play chess, he can play cricket, this is present ability. So the can is used to show the present ability. Secondly, can is used to seek permission and to give permission, but it's not formal way of seeking permission. For example, can I use your pen? In return, we get you can use my pen. So can is used to seek permission and to give permission, but it's not formal way of seeking permission. Here it turns a sort of request. And can is also used to predict the things or guess the things which are very near. For example, the girl coming can be Rekha. The boy coming can be Kharshid. Their students could is used now. Could is used to show past ability. Can is used to show present ability. Could is used to show past ability. For example, when I was 25 years old, I could bat well. When I was 20, I could memorize the things well. So the could is used to show the past ability. Their students could is also used to seek permission or to give permission. For example, could I use your pen? In return, we get you could use my pen. But could here turns as polite request. Could I use your pen? You could use my pen. This is a polite request. Their students could is also used to predict the things or guess the things but removed. For example, Afridi hits in the ball. Afridi hits the ball in air. The commentator, which is standing in the commentary box very far from the ground, he says that it could be sake. So a could is used to predict the guess the things which are removed. The girl that coming could be Rekha. Could is the past of can in case of indirect speech. Could is past of can in case of indirect speech. For example, he said, I can jump. He said, when we are changing it from direct to the indirect speech, he said that he could jump. So, could is used past of can in case of indirect speech. Their students now may. May is used to seek permission and to give permission and is the formal way of seeking permission. For example, when you enter in the class or enter in the office of the principal, you seek permission. You say, "May I come in, sir?" And in the return, you get reply, "You may come in." So, may is used to seek permission. It is a formal way of seeking permission, and regularly we use this word for seeking permission and giving permission. Their students may is used to show possibility that is near possibility. For example, uh, it may rain in evening, it may rain tomorrow, it may rain day after tomorrow because there are near these are near possibilities. So may is used to show the possibility that's very near and may is used for wishes. May is used for wishes. For example, may God bless you, may God give you success, may God help you in winning the match. So may is used for wishes. Dear students, might is more emphatic than may, but it's not a formal way. It's not a formal way of seeking permission. For example, we use may regularly instead of might. Might I come in? Might I go there? Might I write on this blackboard? So these might is used to. It's more emphatic than may. It is way of seeking permission, but it is more emphatic, but it's not always used. Instead of it, may is used. Might is used to show possibility that is very removed. For example, it might snow in January, it might snow in March. So removed possibility is shown by the auxiliary model auxiliary might. Their students might is also past of may in case of indirect speech. For example, he said, I may come tomorrow. He said, I may come tomorrow. This is direct speech. When we are changing it indirect, he said, he might come next day. Dear students, this is the use of four models that can, could, may, and might. But before leaving the class, I am advising you, I am not English teacher at all. Do learn these things from English expert or English specialized teacher. He can teach far better than me. And one more advice is there: do see these things on your available grammar book so that you may grasp the concepts well. I am shouldering task of teaching you English so that you can build a real track to understand the grammatical concepts. And before leaving, once again, I am advising you, do concentrate on self studies, do remain in your home, stick to the book so that you can defeat the COVID 19 infection and also can prepare the things for the coming examination scheduled in the month of November. Thanks, be blessed.